morning. Now what we have learned yesterday, can anyone? Yes? Yes, good. Yesterday we have learned about map. What is a map? Yes? Map is a representation of a drawing of a total or a part of the earth surface according to the scale. Very good. Apart from that, what are the different types of maps? Yes, you. The different types of maps are thematic map, political map, physical map, road map, resource map, etc. Okay. Now can anyone tell me what is the political map? Political map. Can anyone? What is a political map? Political map. Map showing the cities, towns, countries and states on the world with their boundaries. Okay. So what are the political map? Map showing the cities, towns, countries, states of the world with their boundaries. What are the physical map? Map showing the relief features. Yes, beta, what are the relief features? What are the landforms? Can anyone? Yes, mountain, plains, plateaus, rivers, seas, ocean. Okay, fine. Now, before starting a topic, can you identify this? What is this symbol stands for? Yes, where you will find this symbol? Yes, you will find this symbol on clinics, hospital, yes, or medical shop, right? Good, medical shop. So this is a symbol, yes? Now next, for example, yes, can you tell what is that? Yes, it is a frock. But what you will identify with the help of a frock? It is a garment shop. It is a garment shop, right. So, today's our topic is sign and symbol. What is our topic name? So, today's our topic is sign and symbols. Yes. Now, for example, this is a what you will think that it is a temple, right? The next, if you will have like this, for example, like this, and you have a cross mark on it. So what you will tell? This is a church. So, today's our topic is sign and symbol. What is our topic name? That is a sign and symbol. Yes? Yes. So, what is this? What is this identifies? Can anyone, children, where you will find this kind of symbol? This is a river. Very good. The next. Now this. What is this? Can anyone? This is a railway track. Yes. Yes, what is this? This is a bridge. All these we will call the symbols to identify the things. We are using the symbols. Yes? Different signs and symbols are used to tell in a map exact about the particular area. Whenever you are finding a cross mark, you will know that it is a medical shop or a clinic or a hospital. Why we are learning maps? Why we are learning maps, children? Can anyone? Yes, absolutely absolutely right. We are learning map to know the exact location with the help of sign and symbols. Today maps are too useful. In the lower class we have learned from advantage and disadvantage of map. Apart from this, in the map we are going to use some colors. So what colors we are going to use? We are going to use the different colors. So color indication on a map. So for example, we are using the different colors. What are the different colors we are using? Blue. We are using the blue color for the water bodies. In the water bodies, you know what will come. This is the ocean, river, sea, lake, pond, that. So for that we are using a blue color. Now next is a brown. Brown we will use for plateaus. You know what is a plateau? Up and down where we cannot grow the crops properly. That is a terrain place. Yes. So that is a tip. Now again we are using the dark brown. Right. So some of the colors we are using in the map. Even we will use the green color. Why we will use the green color? It will be show the location of your forest. So we are using the different color. So the color indication of a map are blue, brown, dark brown and green. Now let us take out the page number 3 in your content book. Yes. Now children, once again you have to take out the page number 3 and you have to see. Now see in the index. What you have seen in the index, it is using the 3 colors. The first is telling that the internal boundaries of India. So which is the internal boundary? Yeah, this is the internal boundaries of India. So it is using which color design? It is using this, that is called the internal boundaries of India. The next one, the boundaries of the state. Where are the boundaries of the states? It is using a blue color. What color? The boundaries of a state. Again, the last one is a dot. Why we are using a dot? We are using a dot for the capitals of states. So here the first they are showing the boundaries. The boundaries are shown in the black color. Which color is used for the boundaries? Which color are used for the boundaries? They are using the black color for the external external boundaries of India. Again, the second one they are using the blue color. Blue color for the boundaries of a state. And the brown color using for capital of the state. Yes. So these are the things we have learned. Now again here they are telling there are 3 symbols. There are the 3 symbols. Let us study about the symbol, different symbols. So there are different symbols. That is a line symbol, area symbol and the point symbol. So just now I told you children, what is a point symbol? Can you look at the board and tell me what are the point symbol? Yes, point symbol indicates states, right? Point, you know this is a point. The next is a line symbol. Line symbol is used for rivers, ocean, seas. This is a line symbol. It is used for rivers, Okay. Now next is a, and the last one is a area symbol. Now area symbol, it is a playground. It is a playground. That is a area symbol. For example, in the previous lesson you told what is a route map. So in the route map, they have given you the area symbol. We have learned in the last previous lesson that is a shopping mall. So they have given you the symbol of that. Yes. So what we have learned in this lesson, beta? We have learned in this lesson. Now can you tell me what we have covered? What is the lesson name? The lesson name is reading maps of different kinds. Very good. In that, what we have covered in that? What we have covered in that? We have in that lesson, we have covered map. Second, types of maps. Then physical map, political map, thematic map, road map and resource map, right? Then we have discussed about the difference between the physical map and the political map. So you know what is the difference between the physical map? Physical map, in the physical map, it is going to talk about the rivers, ocean, seas, lakes, forests, etc. And in the physical map, we are going to identify the states, cities, town, boundaries of the country. Yes, or the world, countries of the world also, right? So, any doubt in that chapter? Now next is a sign and symbol. What is a sign and symbol? We are using the sign to identify with the help of a map. So now the different symbols we are using, and we are using the different color. Any doubt in that? No.